guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have clear slime that we just
not all the way clear though.
Yeah, it's not like all the way clear. If you want to make it really clear, you have to leave it out for some days.
Hey, y'all, I did my competition today. I got third place. No, I was dancing with my team, but we got third place. That's so embarrassing, but we killed it out there.
Anyways,
We killed it. Yeah.
So I have made a slime video before of what you can do with slime when you're playing with it. This is just going to be a little short video of my clear slime. And it's not made with white glue because if you stretch it, you can see the clearness in it. But it's kind of sticky right now. But I'm making it through. Even though my head is like covered in slime and stuff.
I'm making my YouTube video.
Where did that thing go? This way right there. Okay. I'm gonna put this stuff back in here. It made it unsticky.
Look at me and her. Man, that's cute.
Yeah,
I'm gonna put that as my wallpaper. Oh no. It's some slime got on my thing.
On your what?
Pajama PJs.
So I'm just spreading it on the slime, and then I'm just gonna poke it from where I spread it.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to my new YouTube channel. And yes, this is my new YouTube channel because I had an old one. Things have been going on with my mom's phone and stuff, so I just decided to make it on my phone. I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. As you guys can see, I'm playing with slime.
Hello there.
My sister Kendall is making her own slime.
I'm not making it.
I mean, playing with it. Some slime got in here and it came right off. Because it's washable glue. Now I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys what I used to make this slime. So I used clear glue. 2 bottles of clear glue. I used some, like the clear thing of slide, tied, like clear yellowish,
Pea-ish.
Yeah, because it looks like pea. And yeah. And then I put some
hair got in my
shaving cream in
slime.
it. So this is how it will turn out, but it depends. This is so big, man. That was lit. That was lit.
Don't ever say that. Where's the activator?
So
we use slime as the activator. I mean, not slime as the activator. Tie as the activator. I'm just gonna pour some in here because it's still kind of sticky.
In order to make
and then I put the tie on it. And
so
I'm gonna put this on it here.
It's like what I do is I poke a little hole. It's not all the way to the bottom, and then pour some tie in there, and then play with it. Just play with it. Don't stir it. Just play with it. So while I'm playing with my slime, I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about myself. I'm 9 years old. Right now.
Don't tell all your business to the world.
I'm not gonna tell all my business. Cause I know a lot of people will be asking this stuff. So I'm not gonna tell you everything. I'm gonna just tell y'all that I'm 9.5 years old. My birthday is in February.
Don't tell them the date.
No, I'm not.
And not the year.
Nope, I'm not. I'm not telling y'all where I live in my house. I'm not telling y'all
what state we live in, what country we live in.
I can tell them what country I live in. Okay. I live in the U.S.
North America.
Of course, this world is crazy right now. I'm about to die because Donald Trump
is president. The recording has stopped because your storage is full. But anyway, guys, so this was just a short little video, like I said. So make sure you subscribe and like this video and subscribe if you already haven't. So yeah, guys, see you next time. Bye bye.